Hello, I'm Praveen. Welcome back to Jungle Tech Pro. So today I'll be doing unboxing this ring light. I found this ring light on Amazon and it is the cheapest ring light I have ever seen. It do cost me only 300 rupees and I guess it is the $4 in US. And it does not come with a tripod, so you guys have to buy separately some kind of cheap tripod. So if you are interested in buying this, I'll put the affiliate link in my description down below, so you please buy from my link. It will be a little help. So enough talking, let's say some feature about this ring light. The size of this ring light is 26 centimeter and it does weigh 400 gram. And actually this ring light does have a 4 button which can sense the color mode, white and warm option, and also can sense the brightness. This is so nice at this price point, and you can use this ring light for your TikTok video or YouTube video. So enough talking, I have no complaint at this price point. I mean, I love it. I will let you guys judge it. So watch this video till the end. Also please do subscribe.